Hello traders, welcome to Forex Lab. In this weekly episode, we will discuss and analyze the gold market from high time frame to low time frame, and also we will see what sort of scenarios and possible entries and circumstances we have in this upcoming week. Before continuing our analysis, if you guys are watching my video first time, join my Telegram channel where you will get proper trades and much more information related to trading. And also, without wasting our time, let's back to the charts and see what we have on a weekly time frame. As we have discussed in the previous weekly episode, this is a break of structure we have on a weekly time frame, and this is the previous week that market did not respect and rise up to 3300. What we have on a weekly time frame, although we have a 3400 milestone which was the previous target we have on a weekly episode, and market is just near about it. I'm expecting on a weekly time frame market is still on a bullish side up to at this level. There at this stage we have a possible retracement up to these level, and where we have again bullish momentum, market will gain up to 3500. Well, we have a 3500 milestones on a weekly episode, which on a monthly, sorry, it's a monthly target we have 3500. Although these zones, let me identify. So let's back to the H4 and see what we have on a shorter time. Sorry, daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, what we have, as we have discussed on a weekly time frame, this is a break of structure we have on a daily time frame, and this is the weekly break of structure at this level and at daily time frame we have. What I'm expecting on a daily time frame, I'm expecting market will move up to 3400. At this stage, we may have a possible retracement up to 30 3180 area. Why I'm talking about 3180 area? Although if we use a rising wedge channel on a weekly time frame, and here we have a gap between two candle, which is a volume gap, and market did not respect this gap on a higher time frame. At this stage we have a proper buying up to 3500. Well, this is my weekly target, and monthly, weekly, and weekly, I'm talking about swing trades up to 3500. Although first we have a 3400 target we have. So let's move to the H4 and H1 time frame. What we have, H4 and H1 time frame, we have same scenarios that market is moving in upside direction. At here we have parallel channel up to this level, then drop. Well, markets on bullish side, H4, H1, all are saying about bullish moves. Let's move to the shorter time frame and see what we have. Well, this is the previous last week, last trade that which I opened from 3290 area till and my TPs are at this stage 3344 area. I will use some SMC concept here. This is the liquidity sweeps, bottom liquidity sweeps that market retested, and the all-time high that liquidity we have, which is pending now. I'm expecting market break and closing above this trend line, break the falling wedge channel, and I'm expecting market will move up to at this level and break and create a boss structure here up to 3400, then drop towards these levels. Sorry, not these levels, respecting the previous break of structure. At this stage, what we have to do, if market is going to respect this previous break of structure, what we have to do, if any candle closes below this level, which should be H1 or H4, then we have a major drop up to this level. This is the previous breakout structure at here at here we have to wait for the confirmation for the buying. I'm expecting at this stage up to 3500. Okay, if not, market still drop towards 3180 area, which should be a very good entry point for the long term traders who can hold up to 3500. So this is my weekly episode and me weekly analysis. I'm expecting sorry, let me clear for this for you. I'm expecting the move in upside direction after the opening of a week up to 3400, then drop. Although market can drop an opening of the market because Trump just put another tariff war towards China, which increased the rates up to 245%. So if China did not increase the rates, so market will climb up to 3400, then drop. If not, we have a drop towards at this point where we could expect the bullish move up to 3400. So all we just need to stick with one mentor and wait for the confirmations. Always use stop loss. Here is a short video. I hope you like it. So thank you.